Hello, good people. Welcome back to Ghanaian Street Food Review. Today is another edition of how to fry plantain chips. We are at Atomic Junction, and this is the plantain chips factory in Manila. We are here to learn the entire process: the peeling, the containment, and the frying. We are here to also learn how they also package the plantain chips. So come with me as we enter the plantain chips factory in Manila. It goes to the fire. It's a whole lot of process, so just enjoy it. It's a day. And they put me at shake. Body egg behind now. So it will take about 2 days to finish everything. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, she's peeling the plantain, okay, and she has to make sure that she gets the very smooth plantain, yeah, because of the way they slice the plantain into the plantain chips. They have to make sure that they get a very smooth surface, okay, yeah. So you can see that she uses the knife to carefully rip the peels off. So as you can see, these are all plantain peels. They started very early in the morning. So far they've been able to peel the ones over here. And there's more to go, as you can see. We have more to go. So today, tomorrow, 2 days. Another wonderful thing about plantain is that the peels are not waste. Okay, you can see them here, all right, but some people come for it to feed their livestock, the goats and the sheep. They enjoy it very well. And then others also come for it for soap making. It's an essential material that is used for the potash for soap making. Yeah. Plantain here, the fingers of plantain here. And then it comes like this, but they peel it for it to look like this.
Oh, my share, I'm to come one of your.
I know when you want your mouth.
Aye, because you want that. Mamma, no look wait. Ah, I come up and care.
Wait. See, this is the process involved in the frying of plantain chips. Okay, she uses the utensil, the slicer. She uses the slicer to carefully slice the plantain chips. You know, very long one. Yes. See how fast the process is, because the oil is very hot and she has to make sure that she gets a lot of slices in for the frying. So that you can see how fast she's slicing the plantain, and it's a very fast process. It's challenging, so if you want to do this at home, it's very fast and it's not easy. This place is very hot. So I'll be trying mine very soon. Thank you. Straight, sir. Okay. Nice. I'm struggling though. What's it? Bleeding. I can't find it. Wow. I think you said it. Hey! I'm dying. Oh. Wow. Please, let's clap for our mothers, eh? Thank God we always have plantain chips on the street. Hey, guys, see what I did? I'm slicing this plantain, and you know, there's a blade on this portion of the slicer, which cuts the plantain. So as you do it, you need to do it very carefully, or else it could rip off the skin on your fingers. It's not an easy thing to do, guys. You need to have the skill before you be able to go through this whole process. It's not easy. So if you see them on the street selling plantain chips to you, appreciate it, okay? Because you don't know the hassle that goes into getting a delicious and tasty plantain chips.
Yeah. And the next land, and the open,
So the plantain chips At this point, it's ready, and she's taking it off the fire.
Yeah. They're having to brothel. I have brothel for it. I have brothel for it. And the
Oh, okay. It's a pan in per container now. Now we use it. Okay. Wait me, I should be my ash.
Me shape, mama.
Mama, where are they?
Oh, see me, man. I'm not going to crampo.
Hey.
Now, I'm going to pay a bit.
Currently prepping the twin
Huh?
Yes, of course.
twin juice, right? Abro. Hey.
Okay. You see, a brother, and you know, so I will go.
Well, guys, at this moment, our plantain chips is ready, as you can see. So I'm going to taste and tell you what I think. Yeah, this is so good. It's crunchy and tasty. The salt content is just perfect. So this plantain is so tasty, eh? I can't stop chewing this. Yeah, guys, so I've told you what I think about this plantain chips, and I know you can't wait to taste it. She's located at Atomic Junction, just around the PaySectors Institute. When you come around, just ask for the Plantain Chips factory, and you'll be directed to her. Okay, this plantain chips is so good, you can see. Yes. So subscribe to our channel for more plantain chips videos and other exciting videos. Bye.